Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the discontinued coat dress on Dress to Impress. Yes, unfortunately, you do need VIP for this. So you're going to firstly get this top and you're going to color the same as your skin color, and the next color whatever you want the dress color to be. Then you're going to go to this section and you're going to get this dress. And I'm just going to color it white, and I'm going to turn off the glitter on it. And that is it. Now you will have this a similar kind of like vibe to the coat dress that they have, and that they not discontinued, but it's like only for like a specific amount of time. And that is it for this video. It's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!